Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, low miles, and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2014 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, remote trunk release, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.